Las Vegas is a city in the desert. Like much of the Southwest, it has witnessed a growth in population as more and more people move to this region of the country. Obviously, this places a strain on resources. So, for example, more and more fresh water will be needed to service the needs of an ever growing population. Unfortunately, the past 20 years in the Southwest has witnessed a horrible mega drought, which is probably not actually a drought, but rather an aridification. In other words, a change in the climate as the region now permanently must adjust to less and less rainfall. Lake Mead, which is where Las Vegas gets 90% of its water, has dropped in the past 22 years to only a third of its original volume. In other words, the elevation of Lake Mead has dropped more than 140 feet. Since so many states depend on water from the Colorado River, each state is allocated a specific amount which it can maximally withdraw. And because of the mega drought in 2021, the amount of water from the Colorado River which the state of Nevada could withdraw was decreased by an amount which would service the needs of about 45,000 homes. Thus, people will need to conserve water given this current level, and even more if water levels continue to drop. And so, therefore, there are restrictions being put in place, such as restrictions on the construction of new golf courses. Also, existing areas of grass, especially those which are not being used, should be replaced by a type of vegetation which will use less water. Individuals are encouraged to cut down on their water usage. And so the declining level of water in Lake Mead is certainly something that the residents of Las Vegas take seriously, given that this is the source of 90% of their water.